Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nitish and in this video we will learn about AWS region. So what is AWS region? It is a physical location around the world where we group or cluster data centers. Each cluster of logical data center is called availability zone, and availability zone is one or more discrete data centers with redundant power, networking and connectivity in an AWS region. Let us go to AWS website to see what are all those regions are. So you could see there are several regions and edge location. Edge locations are type of availability zone only, but it is more near to end user, so that there would be very less latency. So the dots in red one are AWS region and blue ones are edge location. Similarly for South Africa, Middle East and Asia Pacific also we could find the AWS region and edge location. In India there is one region and 4 edge locations. I will put this link in description section, you can check this further. Now let's go to one diagram to understand AWS region better. So we can assume this box as AWS US West region, and it contains 4 availability zones: US West 2A, US West 2B, US West 2C, US West 2D. All these availability zones are connected through fiber cable with very low latency. So suppose some user who is near to this region, means US West 2A, then he should launch his application which is latency critical, means which should have very low latency in US West 2A region only. There are few services which that in AWS which is not available in all the regions, so we should check it before launching it in AWS. So data transfer between these two regions, means US West 2A or US West 2B, would be encrypted and it will be secure, so customer need not worry about the data transfer. Similarly in Asia Pacific region, means in Mumbai I am taking, there are 3 availability zones and all 3 are connected to fiber networks with very low latency. Same thing applies to all the AWS region and availability zone. So in layman term we can say AWS region is a society and different apartments in that society is availability zone. So it is for sake of example only. There are many differences because those flats or apartments are not connected with fiber or something. So it is for example only. Let us go to AWS console. I will show you different AWS regions and availability zone. So let me log into my AWS account. This you can check without creating account also, but since I have account and it is more easier for me to show you, that's why I am logging into my account. So once you log into your AWS console, you can see in right top corner here is an arrow mark. When you will click this, you will see all the regions. So North Virginia, Ohio, North California, Oregon, these all are the AWS regions only. And in this region there would be some availability zone. So for Mumbai I will show you there would be 3 availability zone. So let's click Mumbai. Okay, so to check its availability zone, best example would be I will try to launch one service and there I will get some options to select availability zone. So I am going to launch one EC2 instance quickly right here. Now while selecting subnet, here you will see there are 3 zones: South, AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. So AP stands for Asia Pacific, that is our Mumbai region. So in this way we can say we have 3 availability zone in Mumbai region. There are some regions which have local zones also, but that is not available in all the regions. So that we can check in AWS EC2 dashboard only. We will click on EC2 dashboard and here we will click zones. So since it does not support, means Mumbai region does not support local zone, it does not have local zone here. I will show you for other regions where it will support local zones also. So I will select North Virginia Okay, now I will go to zones. So you could see that it does support local zones and it has several local zones available. I have to enable it. So for now I will not enable it. I am just showing it to you guys. So what is local zone? Local zone places compute, storage, databases and other selected AWS services closer to the end user. With AWS local zone, we can easily run highly demanding applications that require single-digit millisecond latencies. Okay, so that was it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video and this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel. We will see you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.